Welcome friends, welcome to the most awaited video, that is golden strategy video, to all our the members, and all of us have been pinging us as to when it is being posted like that, and this video is before you now. And before proceeding to the video, I request all the members to subscribe, like, share and comment our video so that it should reach to the public at large, and needy will definitely use this system and protect their capital and multiply their profits. And before explaining the golden strategy, I'd like to say that even though we have clearly explained in the first video of our YouTube about usage of the system, still there are some doubts among some members as to how to use it, and they are saying that some confusion is there. And I request all the members to kindly watch the first video twice or thrice, or till number of times till they understand, and then proceed with the system. Then it will be easier for them and doubts will not be there, and system is very simple, and it is for them to understand properly by watching it number of times. And for convenience of our members sake, I am explaining in brief, in very short form in this video also, to once again remind them about the usage of the system. So our Market Pulsar software shows the main screen like this, and once you log in to the website, you will find this first screen, and in the second screen you will find the summary of the stocks, and in this summary column you will get all the FNO stocks data, and you can watch the movement of your favorite stock here. And for convenience sake, we have given top 10 bullish and top 10 bearish in this column, and in summary column also you will find stocks which are in bullish side and which are in bearish side and which are in no trade zone. So these are the important tabs which are available, and whenever you want to check a stock, you have to go to that stock. Suppose we are going to Nifty, first check the chart charts which are above, which are available in the above the table. And if you see these two charts, one is spot and one is strength, and till the time both spot and strength are in the same direction, that is formed a red balloon, and they are proceeding with green balloon, you have to remain in same direction. That is, here if you see in the screenshot, 11,675 red balloon is formed, and even the strength also has formed a red balloon, and from there it has been flying, and at about 1:50 p.m. the strength has stopped green balloon, and then starting falling down. And here also from 118 itself the Nifty has been falling by forming a green balloon. So up to 118 only both are in same direction, and it is advisable for you to proceed with the buying trade by keeping 11,675 as stop loss and wait for reversal, which is indicated by both the charts. So this looking of the charts is very simple, and coming to the table usage also, it's very simple, and you have to first assert the time from 9:16 onwards, and you can clearly see the column number 3 and 4 are the important things, and you have to proceed according to the trade. Here from 9:16 onwards the red indication has been being stopped, and at about 10:08 am the red indication has stopped, that means selling is stopped, and from then the buying is started. So according to column number 3, bearish position till 10:08, and then buying position has been started, and you have to remain till the green color indication stops, that is up to 126, where green color stopped and selling has started again. So very simple. Once red stopped means you have to buy, once green stopped means you have to sell. So even another question is, that is repainting, and that is the doubt expressed by our clients. I would like to explain, whenever the red color stops and next entry forms, you have to find the difference between the two, and the difference is very negligible, like 1 to 1.5. You should wait for some more time, or you just take the 5 minutes candle which is formed at the time of stoppage of this red color or green color, and here For example, if you see at about 10:08 a.m. this red color has stopped here, and the next entry at 10:10 a.m. you find that minus 19.54 strength is given. Difference is very less, and you should take the candle between 10:08 and 10:10, that is 10:05 to 10:10 5 minutes candle you just take, and you are now already you have entered in bearish, I mean sell position, so you are in sell. That if that 5 minutes candle high is crossed by next candle, then you have to exit the sell trade. So that is the way of trailing the stop loss, and that will be safer for our members. So it is indicated by the strength decrease also, because in the next entry 17.75 means it is considerable difference in the strength. So that also indicated, and you can also work out by taking that particular movements 5 minutes candle, and if you are in sell position, high should be the stop loss. If you are in buy position, low should be the stop loss. So like that, safe traders can also include this point to get a good stop loss and to retain the profits whichever earned by them. So please take note about this important point for the sake of convenience of all our subscribers. And secondly, fourth column is there, and I have clearly mentioned third column is for aggressive traders and fourth column is for if confirmation by fourth column is also taken, that is for safe and conservative traders. And so here if you find in the last working day from 9:26 to 9:28 only bearish signal has come, and you should remain in the bearish side only up to those 3 or 4 minutes, and then it again went back for no trade zone. So you should not take trade, and you should take trade only from 9:58, and from 9:58 to 10:08, that means only for 20 minutes you are allowed to trade, and thereafter the third column has given reversal, so both are not going in same direction, that is column number 3 and 4. You should exit the position. This is the way of using the system very safely, and if you are an aggressive trader, you can play all the swings by using column number 3 and 4. So make note of all the things which are mentioned by me, and understand the system very properly, and then only you will not get any doubts, and you will be confident in market movement. So this is the brief revision of usage of our system, and very clearly it is given by us in the first video. So coupled with this video, if you go to first video also, you will definitely understand 100% the way of using of our system, and I request all members to do it now itself. Okay, now the main important thing and the theme of core of this video, that is golden strategy. And now there were many questions by some of the members that they are not able to scan each and every stock, and they are asking for some alerts whenever the position is changed, and it is not easy for them to scan each and every stock and see the changes of column number 3 and 4. So we felt that if some research is made with regard to data in the past, and if we formulate a principle which is very easier for our members, that is for professionals and other persons who are not able to maintain a continuous scan of the market from minute to minute, and if we give a good strategy for them which is safe and profitable by the end of the month, then it will be very much helpful for them. So with that motive, we made a back test, and we found this golden strategy which is highly surprising for us also, and this particular opportunity is very much useful for all the traders. So the theme of the strategy is, because the column number 3 aggressively changes, because for some moment market will be in up direction and some moment market will be in the downward direction. Thus color indication, some persons can follow and some persons are not able to follow. So a question has arisen, what happens if we track a particular stock and if we go only by the remark column, that is bullish or bearish signal given by our system, and see the end of the month results for that particular stock, and that idea has given motivation for us to place this video before you as golden strategy. And we have back tested Nifty, Bank Nifty and Reliance, and came before with you with surprising results. And that data has been dragged to Excel sheet, and we are now going to show as to what happened if one goes only with the remarks column sentiment. That is, if the remark column says bullish, you have to blindly purchase the future, and if remark column says bearish, you have to blindly sell the future, and you should remain in the trade till that bullish or bearishness is changed by column number 4. So this will be very rarely happening, and once a particular sentiment is given, it remains for a long time. So each and every minute need not be tracked, and no tension should be there for our subscribers. So with that intention, now let us see the results which have come before us, and how interesting it will be. That's why, having seen those results only, this strategy is named as golden strategy. Now proceed to the Excel sheet which gives the astonishing results. Let us see first the results of Bank Nifty. This is the data of Bank Nifty which is recorded by us. I hope everybody is able to see. And here the data is divided into two groups, that is bearish group and bullish group, and column numbers B, C, D, E pertain to bearish results, and column number F, G, H, I pertain to bullish results, and finally the final outcome of that particular day is given in column number J. And if you see how to understand this table, on 24/8/20 the signal of bearish is not given, so first 4 columns are 3 columns are vacant, and on bullish side only it has given in column number 4 bullish signal has come. So once bullish signal is generated, it was generated at 22,649, and that signal changed at 22,811. So difference is 162 points profit. So on 25/8/20 the fourth column has given bearish signal, that is bearish signal started at 23,087 and it ended at 23,070, and we got 17 points profit. And on the same day bullish signal also was generated at 23,169, and it signal closed at 23,019 sorry, and it was a loss of 150 points, and totally we got minus 133 points on that day as a result, and that particular loss is extracted in the last column, that is total sum of amount. And here I also want to repeat that we are going only by the remarks in fourth column, and we are not taking the help of third column, and this is a blind strategy. And if you want to recover, if you want to reduce this loss in these days like 25/8/20 also, if you take the help of column number 3 also, this loss will not be there, because a reversal would definitely have been found in column number 3. So those who feel difficulty in tracking column number 3 along with column number 4, for those only this particular data table is prepared. So we have to be like a robo, and no emotion should be there. We should enter once bullish signal has come with sell buy trade, and if bearish signal has come with a sell trade, and we have to wait for a different signal. And we should not be worried that on a particular day profit has come, on a particular day loss has come. So like a robo, if you do, what happened by the end of the month, and what is the astonishing result of profit by the end of the month. So on 24/8 you got profit of 4050, on 25/8 you got profit of loss of 3325. Likewise next day 300 profit, next day 325 profit, and next day 2300 rupees loss. So like that every day it was a mixture, and some days it has given 28/8/20. On that day it has given 12,275, and on 31/8 it has given 30,425. So if you track all these things, this table has been prepared from 24th August 2020 to 9/10/20, only taking trades as per the recommendation by our fourth column only, and the profit, and this is with regard to purchasing of only one lot and not even two lots also, only one lot per day bank nifty. As per the remarks column, that is fourth column, the astonishing result was by 9/10/2020 the total profit was with one lot 1,44,175, and it's very remarkable profit, that too without any tension and without any knowledge also. You need not apply your brain, you just see what the fourth column says and enter that trade, and don't worry for the plus or minus results by the EOD. You should be considering the profit only by the end of the month. And if you go strictly as per this strategy without following any other emotions, you have got nearly 1.5 lakh with one lot of bank nifty trade, and you need not track any other stock. So what happened if the same principle is applied for nifty stock? This is also the data tracked from 24/8/2020, and likewise on that day bearishness has not come, and bullish signal was given at 432, and it closed at 466, points were 34, and that profit is 2550. So final profit for that day is 2550. So likewise we have tracked on each and every day with only remarks column, that is bullish or bearish, and it has given results like 2550 profit and minus 1725 loss, next 3825 profit and minus 1650 loss, like this. And we are not tracking the third column. If you track the third column also, this loss can be definitely minimized and this profit can be more increased if you are active in the market. And if you are not able to actively see the market, go by the only fourth column. And what are the results of Nifty? Only one lot buying or selling as per the remarks column, and the final result was 78,450. Only remarks column, one lot Nifty from 28th to 9/10/2020, and this is also very remarkable profit. And the persons who are able to track both Nifty and Bank Nifty, they would have got 1.5 lakh from Bank Nifty and 80,000 from Nifty, that is around 2,30,000, and very good results with only one lot. And let us track if this applies even for stocks also. And we have selected Reliance particularly because there are more lovers for Reliance stock. And what has the results of Reliance given for that particular period? Let us see. Same type of data. (24/8/2020) onwards. On first day, no bearish trade was there, and only bullish trade is given. That is the bullish signal given at 2094 and ended at 2099, 5 points profit, and that is 2525. And later next day it has given 1000 loss, and next day it has given 61 points profit, which comes to 30,805, and on next day it has given minus 9090. Here only our remarks column result is this. If you follow the third column also, this minus 9090 also could have been reduced. Even if you follow correctly, this loss also can be turned into profit, and that profit would be definitely double to this profit which we are going to get at the end of this month. So from 24/8/2020 to 9/10/2020, Reliance following only the remarks column, the result was 2,05,535, and this is also very very remarkable, and that's why this strategy is named as golden strategy. So the persons, professionals, and persons who doesn't have time to track each and every minute movement of the market by using column number 3, they can simply go only by seeing the remarks column, and they need not worry about any up and downs in the market. And if the remarks column is changed, they have to exit, and if it remains, they have to be in trade. And the intelligent people can also take the help of column number 3 and reduce the loss and increase the profit. And only following the fourth column remarks for the Reliance stock for this particular period has given 2,05,535. So we have placed the very interesting golden strategy before our members, and this is the mine which we are placing before you. You can use it in your own direction by making profit in lakhs together by with your number of lots. And I request the members to go only with one lot and play only according to your capital, because some days because you are not taking the help of column number 3 here, some days loss also will come. You should not be emotional, you should be like a robo. And if you are not able to bear more loss for a particular day, you can keep a stop loss of 10 points or 15 points which you can bear. And if that particular stock goes below that 15 points, it will be definitely squared off if you put a stop loss. And if you are seriously accustomed to this particular strategy and want to play only by usage of this strategy, it will definitely protect your capital, and in the end of the month you will be definitely with very good return with this strategy. So this is all about our most interesting and most awaited golden strategy, and I hope all our subscribers are very happy and surprised to see these astonishing results. And please watch this video carefully and make use of this system by tracking our website every day in intraday, and follow the stock of your own choice, and play that particular stock every day as per the remarks column. And if you are capable, add the third column also, that will rightly guide you to multiply this profit. So that is the content of the today's video, and I request all the members to express their comments about this particular golden strategy. And for the sake of information verification by our members, we are posting the screenshot of these results, that is backtest results, in the Telegram group, and members can download it and see as to what happened every day. And these results are only for one lot and only column number 4 usage results. And if you are able to couple column number 3, this result could be certainly doubled also. So that is about this video, and I wish all the best to our subscribers. And please see the video carefully, digest it, understand the system, and enter into trade. Or you also can paper trade this particular strategy every day by tracking the data, and came to conclusion and then enter the trade. And I wish that all of members should earn a very good amount by properly using our website, which is our motto. Thank you, members.